There are too many ways to make money online right now for you to sit back and somehow convince yourself that there isn't a piece of this pie for you. So come on in, sit down, get a notepad, and let's start this journey together. My name is Roxie. Had gotten to a point in my life where I really wanted to create a community based off of not just wealth, but wellness as well. Because during my many years of being an entrepreneur, successes and failures, I finally found a way and the strategies to actually make money online. And I am sitting down here today to share those strategies with you. Have you ever had a business idea, knew it was like such an amazing idea, but you didn't know how to execute and bring that idea to other people, not just your family members or your friends, but how do you bring it to a larger audience? Have you ever just gotten stuck at that point? Or you want to start a business, but you just don't know how. You don't know what products to sell. You don't know how you're going to get paid. You don't even know marketing, or you just feel like it's going to take too much work. Or maybe you're just starting your journey right now and you're curious and you've probably seen people talk about making money online and you're just exploring ideas of how you can do it. I'm here to tell you today, we are living in this digital wealth era, which means that anyone can start a business online and reach not only a global market, but just simply finding your audience. Just bringing out your voice, who you are, and what you're into, you can definitely find ways to make money online. So today I'm actually going to share with you one of the easiest ways that anyone can make money online with $0. You do not need any money to start your business. The only thing that you need is either a phone, a computer, internet, and you can do it, okay? So I'm going to share these 3 tips with you. But before I start, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Roxie. Radiate with Roxie is all about making money online and also making money online along with having a wealth mindset. And so I want to infuse these 2 together. We'll see YouTube is a place where you also just bring out your creativity, bring out yourself. And I hope to do exactly just that as time goes on. Any type of comments or questions or anything that you guys want to ask me, always leave them down below. And I will be more than happy to bring out content dedicated to that. What are the 3 ways that you can make money online with $0? What product can you sell for free or promote for free and make a profit off of? So all of these products are going to fall under the branch of affiliate marketing. And the reason why I've chosen affiliate marketing is because affiliate marketing has really proven to be one of the fastest ways to grow and monetize online. It requires no startup costs. All right, so let me just explain to you guys what affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is simply promoting somebody else's products and getting a commission for it. Sometimes the commission is 5%, 2%, and sometimes it can go all the way up to 80%, 90%, or in between. It really depends on who you're working with when it comes down to affiliate marketing. I'm going to share with you 3 different affiliates that you can use and start for $0. So the first one is Amazon. Amazon branches off into 2, where you have an Amazon associate program where anyone can get this link. You just sign up online. Here, I'll actually include the link, the Amazon associate link down below. And the other one is called Amazon influencer program. The difference between the 2 programs is one allows you to gain commission within the Amazon portal. So for example, when you are looking for a product, these type of videos that you see are actually Amazon influencers, whereas putting a link to a product is an Amazon associate, meaning a link in your link in bio or a link in your website or blogs, etc. This is Amazon associate. And then when you go into the actual Amazon store and you see those products and people who have storefronts set up, they're all part of the Amazon influencer program. So the reason why I chose Amazon is, again, it is free. You're able to apply, and I'm pretty sure it works in most of the countries around the world. If it doesn't apply to your country, leave a comment below so that people know. And all right, so now that we've gotten Amazon Associates out of the way, the next one I would suggest, and this is one that I've tried, is actually ClickBank. So ClickBank has majority like digital products that you could promote and resell, but the good thing is they have really good commission, so you can even get sometimes as up to like 75% commission. or just for promoting their products. The downside though with ClickBank that I would say is that ClickBank has been around for a very long time. So you also have to really be careful with like what you're choosing. So I would suggest if you have a page or a social media page, you're into things like self-development or cooking or weight loss or any of these type of things, then I would say find something that you are already familiar with, take a look at it, look at the reviews, and then start promoting it. Stay tuned because towards the end, I'm going to show you a way that you can promote all of this without having to show your face. And no, it's not faceless reels or anything like that. So stay tuned towards the end because I'm going to show you a hack as to how you can promote all of these. And eventually I'll do a full video tutorial for you guys. Another affiliate that you can join for free is actually called CJ Affiliates. CJ Affiliates is that they have fashion brands, they have tech, they have things for travel. And so it's very diverse. So they work really well with companies and you can promote certain companies and you're just promoting their products. The cons with this one is that there are minimum payouts. And so I'm going to check what those are and link them over here. Some of the companies actually require approval, but I've gotten approved on some of these. So just think about what are the stores that you usually go to and start looking for them and see if they have any type of affiliates linked to them, because it'll be so much easier for you to make content on something that I actually use and love. So for example, the camera that I'm using, I'm just giving an example. The camera that I'm using is a Canon, so I would probably go see if Canon has affiliate and perhaps talk about it. Another example, just so you guys just have an idea, is that even with this camera right here, I can go on my Amazon influencer, review my camera and put that in Amazon influencer. I can review my phone and that could be an Amazon influence within my Amazon influencer. So affiliate marketing really is such a broad range. There are so many companies that have affiliate links, and right now I'm really just scratching the surface. There are affiliate links that I have down below, such as where I link my products, which is Beacons. There's also another hosting platform called Stancer. There's so many ways that you can literally make money just for free for promoting other people's companies or businesses or digital products. And this is what we call affiliate marketing. All right, so before I end, I want to tell you guys a really quick, easy way that you can promote all of these products or any type of affiliate product that you have without showing your face, without having to do a video, and that is Pinterest. So Pinterest is this hidden gem, I like to call it, because what you can do is you can actually link your websites or your links to Pinterest. Of course, everything takes time to build, but if you've been searching for a way to monetize and you're just not sure how to do it on your phone, you don't necessarily want to show your face, you don't want to do TikTok, any other type of social media, I would suggest you do Pinterest. And stay tuned because I will give you guys a tutorial on how you can actually promote products on Pinterest. All it really is taking your product, linking it into Pinterest, putting in your link, and Pinterest will, as long as you have it SEO optimized and SEO optimized going to the right audience, you could have these pins land and people can click on it. And once they click on it, that means they're going through your affiliate link. And if someone purchases, then you would get the commission. This is just the beginning of the different ways you can monetize online. I'm hoping I can share more because honestly, I remember being stuck. I remember not knowing what to do. I remember not knowing what an affiliate marketing was. And my goal for this channel is just to give back as much as possible, share all the information, all of the knowledge, all of the strategies that I have. And I also hope to share my journey with you all, not only through my YouTube, but all my other business ventures. In case I didn't mention this in the beginning, I would greatly appreciate if you would subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and if there's anything you want to learn. If you're in this make money space as well, I'd like you to leave a comment below, maybe put some like money signs, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.